10 proven ways to build wealth, starting from zero. Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Today we're tackling one of the most common questions people ask. How can I build wealth when I'm starting from zero? Whether you're in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or just beginning your financial journey, the good news is that anyone can start building wealth with the right strategies and mindset. In this video, we'll break down 10 proven ways to build wealth, even if you feel like you're starting from scratch. These steps are practical, achievable, and designed to help you create a solid financial foundation. And make sure to stick around until the end. We've got a bonus tip that ties it all together and keeps you motivated. Let's get started. Building wealth starts in your mind. If you believe that wealth is out of reach, you'll never take the steps needed to achieve it. A growth mindset is critical. It helps you see challenges as opportunities and motivates you to learn and improve. Your relationship with money matters too. Stop thinking of money as something you'll never have enough of, and start viewing it as a tool to create opportunities. Successful people often say that building wealth is 80% mindset and 20% strategy. Actionable tips. Write down any limiting beliefs you have about money, like, I'll never make enough, or I'm bad with money, and replace them with empowering statements like, I'm learning how to manage money effectively. Read books or watch videos on financial psychology to better understand how your mindset influences your behavior. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you to achieve financial success. You can't build wealth if you don't know where your money is going. A budget helps you take control of your income, track your spending, and ensure you're putting money towards savings and investments. Think of a budget as a plan for your money, giving every dollar a purpose. Budgeting doesn't have to mean cutting out everything you love. It's about finding balance and prioritizing the things that truly matter to you while eliminating wasteful spending. Actionable tips. Track your income and expenses for 1 month to identify spending patterns. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, or a simple spreadsheet to keep your budget organized. Before you can grow wealth, you need to protect yourself from financial setbacks. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, covering unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Without one, even small emergencies can force you to rely on credit cards or loans, setting you back. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This step may take time, but every dollar you save is a step closer to financial security. Actionable tips. Open a high-yield savings account specifically for emergencies. Start small by setting aside $500 to $1,000, then gradually increase it. Automate a portion of your paycheck to go directly into your emergency fund. High-interest debt like credit card balances or payday loans can be a major obstacle to building wealth. These debts often carry interest rates of 15% or more, making it difficult to pay them off and save at the same time. The sooner you eliminate high-interest debt, the faster you can start building wealth. Use strategies like the avalanche method, paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, or the snowball method, paying off the smallest balances first for motivation. Actionable tips. List all your debts, their balances, and interest rates. Choose a repayment strategy that works for you and commit to it. Avoid taking on new high-interest debt while you're paying off existing balances. While cutting expenses is important, increasing your income is a powerful way to accelerate wealth building. Look for opportunities to earn more, whether it's negotiating a raise, finding a higher-paying job, starting a side hustle, or freelancing. The more income you generate, the more you can save, invest, and pay off debt. Remember, every extra dollar you earn gets you closer to your financial goals. Actionable tips. Identify your skills or interests and explore ways to monetize them through side gigs or freelance work. Take a course or earn a certification to qualify for higher-paying roles in your field. Allocate any extra income directly towards savings, debt repayment, or investments. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. The key is to start as early as possible and be consistent. Focus on beginner-friendly investments like index funds or ETFs, which offer diversification and lower risk. Over time, your money will grow, helping you build wealth steadily. Actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or a tax-advantaged retirement account like a Roth IRA. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs, which are easy to manage and have historically strong returns. Commit to investing a set amount each month, even if it's just $50 or $100 to start. Building wealth is important, but protecting it is just as crucial. Unexpected events like accidents, illnesses, or natural disasters can wipe out your savings if you're not prepared. Having the right insurance policies ensures your hard-earned money is protected. Key types of insurance include health, auto, renters or homeowners, and life insurance. These provide a safety net for you and your family, allowing you to focus on growing your wealth. Actionable tips. Review your current insurance coverage and identify any gaps. If you have dependents, consider getting term life insurance to provide financial security for your family. Regularly review and update your insurance policies as your life circumstances change. Wealth building isn't about one-time actions, it's about consistent habits. Automating your savings, sticking to a budget, and regularly reviewing your finances are habits that will help you stay on track. The small actions you take every day, like saving a portion of your paycheck or avoiding unnecessary expenses, add up to big results over time. Actionable tips. Automate savings and investment contributions to ensure consistency. Schedule a monthly money day to review your budget, expenses, and progress toward your goals. Reward yourself for reaching financial milestones to stay motivated. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. The more you understand about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. Financial literacy helps you avoid scams, navigate the stock market, and maximize your wealth-building potential. Dedicate time to learning about budgeting, investing, taxes, and other key financial topics. Read personal finance books like The Millionaire Next Door or Rich Dad Poor Dad. Follow reputable finance blogs, YouTube channels like Your Finance Lab, and podcasts. Commit to learning one new financial concept each month and applying it to your life. The people you surround yourself with can influence your financial mindset and decisions. Spending time with individuals who are financially responsible, motivated, and knowledgeable will inspire you to stay on track and learn from their experiences. Avoid negative influences that encourage overspending or bad money habits. Instead, seek out mentors, friends, or online communities that support your financial goals. Join online groups or forums focused on personal finance and wealth building. Find a mentor or coach who can guide you and offer advice. Limit time with people who discourage your financial goals or promote unhealthy spending habits. Building wealth takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Staying consistent with your habits, even when progress feels slow, is the key to long-term success. Remember, every small step you take adds up over time. Celebrate your wins, stay focused on your goals, and remind yourself why you started. The journey may be slow, but the rewards are worth it. Break down your financial goals into smaller, achievable milestones. Track your progress, and celebrate when you reach key milestones. Stay motivated by revisiting your why, the reason you want to build wealth. Building wealth from zero is entirely possible with the right mindset, habits, and strategies. By following these 10 steps, you'll create a strong financial foundation and set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, the journey may take time, but every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Which of these steps will you start with? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips from Your Finance Lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.